So I've observed some significant damage on the thinning blade that I needed to take an image of. You can see the little chatter marks at the very edge. But as we move down further, you can see these big dings. See that big ding there? There's a couple more here. As we get further down, they get a little more. Some pretty good damage all the way down the blade. I painted the blue because the blue tends to show the contrast. Really good damage there. I don't know. It's not from the teeth. Cutting service after it's been sharpened and restored. There's still a little tiny micro burr on there I'm going to have to take care of, but all the damage is gone all the way down the edge now.